Roblox is an online game platform and game creation system. It allows users to program games and play games created by other users. Founded in 2004 and released in 2006, it is a free-to-play with in-game purchases available through a virtual currency called Robux. As of August 2020, Roblox had over 164 million monthly active users, with it being played by half of all children aged under 16 in the United States. America, fuck yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, yes, today we're going to make a Roblox analysis. Yo, what's up guys, how you doing today? My name is Daniel and welcome to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, as we said, over 150 million users playing this game and over 31 million players playing daily. The company did go IPO on March 10th after delaying from December 2020 when they should go IPO. For those of you who do not know, IPO stands for Initial Public Offering, and it is a process by which a private company can go public by sale of its stocks to the general public. And after Roblox did go IPO, the company worth instantly more than $45 billion.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!
Roblox posted revenue of nearly 925 million last year. The company also said earlier this month that it now expects sales to rise about another 60% this year to a range of 1.44 billion to 1.52 billion. So what the hell is actually Roblox? Well, it is a game/platform mainly for kids, where they can design their own game. But what is interesting about this model is that these kids can become a fucking developers and create their own game inside this platform, and they can start selling it. They can start selling skins. You can imagine like CSGO and their skins, or Dota and their skins. And when they are selling these skins, they are gaining these Robux coins and they can exchange it for fucking money. Roblox gives 70% and they take for themselves 30%. So let's say now you will go and try create some new game with your own skins and stuff. So you can participate in affiliate program where you can send a link to your friends or spam it on some forums, you know, or somewhere where people will click on it. And if people download your game, buy your skins, you will gain 70% of total profit and Roblox will take the additional 30%. What I want to say about is, Jesus fucking Christ, I mean, this is some goddamn business model.
Why?
This is business!
Because if you think about this, most of the players that play Roblox are the kids under 16. And kids under 16, they do not have enough money, so, you know, they steal their mom's credit card or their dad's credit card. And if there's over 30 million players daily, and even if 10% of all of the players pay them and buy these skins and buy these games, holy shit, I mean, this is some fucking money machine, bro. For example, in July 2020, Roblox paid to their developers $250 million for creating goddamn games, skins, and all the stuff around. The revenue of Roblox was over 580 millions. Now, what is very interesting, Genius Brands International has signed a partnership with Tanki to develop a new Roblox series to be aired exclusively on Kartoon Channel. Genius Brands and Tanki will produce an all-new 12-episode Roblox series featuring our top Roblox influencers. The new show will be available for streaming on Kartoon Channel starting in June. So this might also push the price of Roblox even higher than it is right now. Actually, if we look at the Roblox on eToro, as you can see, I already invested $400 there. Day after their IPO, I bought it at 74.39. Now it's worth 77. And I'm going long for Roblox because I believe they're just gonna grow more and more and more. Another key Roblox stats are that for May 2020, Roblox was the third highest grossing mobile game in terms of worldwide revenue. Roblox has 3 billion total engagement hours each month. As of June 2020, Roblox had been downloaded 383 million times across Google Play and iOS. During the pandemic, Roblox added 35 million monthly active users in just 5 months. Roblox user base spends 1.5 billion hours each month. In 2018, children under 13 used Roblox more than any other top online entertainment apps. I mean, that's all cool, but what are the cons? What are the cons of Roblox? Well, as a first problem of Roblox, the lifespan of a Roblox user is only 23 months on average. This means that a kid who is playing Roblox is playing the game for 2 years at max. Now, what will happen when the kids will get older? Some would say when they leave, the game will die. But what I think personally, for example, my generation was already a PC generation. You know, I've been playing games since I was a child. I've been playing Counter-Strike, I've been playing Dota, you know, and I've been playing games all of my life. And how are the kids nowadays? I mean, there is still more and more kids. And when the older ones will leave, the new ones will come. I don't see a fucking point saying that Roblox will die because the players will leave. Like, another huge problem is that Roblox's business is highly dependent on the mobile app stores owned by Apple and Google. In its last filing, the company revealed that the Apple App Store represented 35% of its revenue last year, while 19% came from the Google App Store. Further, nearly 70% of time spent on its platform came from players that signed up from those two mobile platforms. Some analysts have wondered why Roblox is allowed to offer different games through its app without each title being approved case by case by Apple. The technology giant rejected attempts by Facebook and Microsoft to offer similar multi-title offerings for their gaming apps. If Apple or Google changed content the policy in regards to Roblox, it would represent a big setback. So yeah, I mean, these are the two biggest problems for the company. But again, what do you think, guys, about the company? Are you invested in the company? Please let me know down in comments. I'm really curious. What do you think about it? Do you have someone who is playing it? What do they think about it? If you know someone who is playing it, please ask them and let me know. I'm also curious about it. So is a Roblox a buy? Well, as I've told you, there is more pros than cons. So for me, yes, it is a buy. The analysts are estimating almost 10% additional growth by end of the year to the price of $85, and I think it's real. With the cartoon show in June, I mean, there's a still long time until end of the year, so why not? I mean, 10% in today's market, 10% is fucking nothing. And what is also really important, KD Woods, the founder of ARK ETFs, bought shares of Roblox for $36 million. By the way, if you like Kathy and if you like ARK, they bought Roblox under a ticker ARKW, ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. So if you want to participate in a Roblox, but you don't want to buy the actual Roblox, you want to have a safer variant, then ARKW is the right option for you. By the way, ARK is beating the shit out of the market, and they're actually preparing a new ETF by end of the March with the new upcoming IPOs. We will save this for our next video. Very interesting next video actually about upcoming IPOs for 2021. So stay tuned, guys. Have a great week. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you do not want to miss any new videos, please hit that subscribe button. Yeah, have a great week, guys. See you on a weekend. Peace.